Hello, this tutorial shows you how to create an ASP.NET web application using JetBrains Rider on Windows. Ensure that Rider and the .NET Core SDK are installed. Launch Rider and click New Solution on the welcome screen. Select ASP.NET Core Web Application. Enter your project name. Choose the file location. If you do not have a location in mind, just make a new folder. Select the target framework. Click Next. Wait while Rider sets up the project and restores dependencies. When ready, review the folders in the Solution Explorer. Click Run or press Shift plus F10 to build and run the application. Your default browser will open to display your new ASP.NET web application. This starter web application comes with 3 pages in the Home controller, the Home page, Privacy Policy page, and Error page. Thank you for watching.